my beautiful people. I hope you have an amazing morning. I'm out here in nature with the Divine One, giving thanks to Gaia for life, for strength, for purpose, for beauty, for joy and ability. I'm so grateful for this day. I hope you are grateful for this day. It's 8/8. Today is my baby sister's birthday. Happy birthday, beloved. Your sister loves you. It's also a magical day. There is a great portal opening today. A connection to spirit like no other day of the year besides 222. I'm here, I am present, and I'm ready to be elevated higher in my purpose for what I can bring to you in my practice. Please excuse the noise. Out here in nature, you never know what kind of noise you're going to get. I'm feeling amazing. My skin is glowing, soaking up the sun. Get your vitamin D today. It's important. I feel so blessed. So blessed to be here. So blessed to be with you. This is an amazing world, an amazing life. If you ever found that, find it. Find someone that can help you find it. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your health. Enjoy your wealth. Your connection with God is what you need. It's the only thing that can bring you everything you desire. Fall on your knees and thank God for this day, for providing all you need and fulfilling all your desires. If that is not coming true for you, then fall on your knees and ask God for new direction. A new commitment, new strength, new confidence. I'm going to give dedication to Gaia this morning. I want to take that part as it is personal and sacred to me. I'm wishing you a blessed day. I will be back later with messages from the Divine for you collectives, my chosen ones, my like-minded beings, family and friends and watchers. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for remembering that I am here. Thank you.